stop. Oh, we got the smoke coming out of the NC.
I can't say you on the black top. I can't say you on the black top.
I don't know what they're doing. His ass just snuck away.
Who?
He was just right here talking shit with us. How the hell you get in the window that fast?
Tristan?
That nigga, yeah. Bro, he just got in the, he was right here with us, right?
What you doing, bro?
I'm like, bro, but that nigga
But it's
stuck
cool, I'm
right
gonna flip that nigga up, flick him up. Look how good they be. Look how far they been go. Look at that, look at that.
They be a little mean, man. God, they be a little mean.
You should have called him.
That bitch so Hey, that shit nasty, boy.
But this mode, look, Stendo went down.
That shit nasty.
Hell yeah.
You got black eyes.
Hell yeah.
When Shawty come back and just let you get in on 5-0, they're telling me I done got a chance over all these niggas.
Nigga, I play enough racing games. I can do that bit. One hand. I know I can. Just It's so easy. Tristan, what you doing here, bro? What you doing here, bro? both for my YouTube and for my photography shit.
Oh, you never hear me rap.
Y'all ain't tell me, bro. My shit wasn't even ready. Thank God I was just coming back from the car from getting it, bro.
Oh, you got his shit? Oh my God.
Oh, nah, that them him, man.
Nigga, did you get some of me? No.
I wasn't here
Yeah,
yet.
you wasn't here.
Oh, yeah, you gotta send me, though, man.
Oh, you look sweaty.
I'm telling you, you should have let me know, bro. You good? Spinning that bit. Hard as fuck. Oh yeah.
I wasn't in your pit, brother.
Look at the screen.
Oh, that bit hard. Oh, that bit.
Oh, you go. Who on it? Need him.
I want to see the wild body. That wild body hard as hell.
That white one? Hard as fuck.
Man, he playing T.I. That's crazy.
Tia. Hold on.
Yeah, I need that. I need him. I need him. Oh, that bit was hard.
Damn. See, I told you, plastic bag over the head. I'm telling you, something ain't right. I know something ain't right when I hear something, bro. I don't got no Camaro, but I know something ain't right when I hear it. Damn.
It's 2 cams, for real, to be slime.
It's too damn. Only open up.
Open up down the road.
Hell yeah. Right now. Got tell him do a burnout. I got him right here. And his car just cut off. Or am I tweaking?
That bitch so deep ass. You don't even know what the hell that bitch be.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh God.
You know there was a video, like before you do it, we did a video, right? That bitch
The hell?
Then his wheels bowed in.
I don't fuck with that. I don't like that.
His wheel bowed in.
You better gas it, boy.
Gas the motherfucker.
Purpose, huh? That's how you do that shit, bro. He gonna fucking. Golly. Recording while he's driving? Oh, no, that's not. He got a suit. That bit wide sound like it's whining. Oh, God, it sound like it's whining. They put something in. Okay. Okay. Hello. Stupid. way you forgot your traction control there. I'm gonna flick you up though, right here. There you go.